When the Mini 5 Pro was launched last year, I thought it set a new bar in how drones should sound. A quiet, low pitch noise that was not going to annoy any other members of the public. When you got it up more than about 10-15 meters, you could hardly hear it. So I was really impressed when I first flew the Lito X1, because I thought it actually sounded even quieter. So, simple sound test today: Lito 1, Lito X1 and the Mini 5 Pro. As before, dB meters haven't proved too reliable for me. Their results vary too widely. So, without further ado, let's get them up in the air. Well, Lito 1 and the Lito X1. Practically identical. You'd kind of expect them to be, and it is a very low-pitched, quiet hum. Standing in the middle, no difference in it. Go between the 1 and the X1. To be honest, I really can't tell anything between them. They're identical sounding in my opinion. Both very pleasing, low-pitched hum. So I'm going to take the X1 and I'll fly it up until I can't hear it anymore. And I know it's a very rough and ready test, but certainly when you were flying the Neo 2 and the Avata 360 especially, you could hear that screeching around when it was a good 50, 60, 70 meters away. I don't think that's going to be the same with these. So if you can land the 1 and I'll send the X1 up. So Lito X1, let's just see how it sounds when it's say 20 meters up and 20 meters away. (20 meters). Okay, so that's 20 meters up, 20 meters along. I can hear it, it's not annoying. 20 meters, what's that? Going to be about 65 feet. Okay, let's go up to 40 meters and 40 meters. So 40 meters up, what's that? 120, 130 feet, and 40 meters along. Can barely hear it. Now if I flick it about a bit, you occasionally hear a little, but very little noise. So now 60 meters up, which is going to be 200 feet up and 200 feet along. Birds are way louder than the little hum. That is a very quiet drone. Again, if I actually move it, you can just hear it, but barely. Right, I'm interested to see how it compares with the Mini 5 Pro. I actually think it might be quieter. So let's get the X1 down, I'll get the Mini 5 Pro up as well, and we'll do a comparison there. But certainly, when it's up in the sky, Lito X1, very quiet. So now we have the Lito X1 and the Mini 5 Pro. Again, hardly anything in it, to be honest. If pushed, I'd say the Mini 5 Pro was ever so slightly louder. There is practically nothing in it. Both of them very pleasing to the ear, if you like. These are drones that are not going to annoy passerbys. So, you can go and fly this in your local park and you're not going to be annoying anybody else. I'm just going to knock the Mini 5 Pro up to do the same sound test to see how far away it is before I can't hear it anymore. I was already impressed with how the Lito X1 performed. So, just compare with the Mini 5 Pro. So get it up, Mini 5 Pro up to 20 meters high and 20 meters away. Well, yeah, as before, as expected, I can hear it. And if you flick it about, Right, let's go to 40 and 40. So that's 40 meters high. So again, about 130 feet high and 40 meters away. Again, you can just about hear it. It's certainly not intrusive. And if I flick it about, yeah, you're really not hearing much. And let's just go now for 60 meters up and 60 meters away. I'm not really hearing it. If I could just hear the tiniest bit, if I flick it around, you wouldn't even notice that, even if you were just talking. So all good. These sorts of drones are definitely going in the right direction in my opinion. I was a little bit annoyed, as I said, the Avata 360, very, very noisy, and a drone that was going to really annoy people that aren't necessarily involved in flying drones. People that don't fly drones are very quick to get annoyed with drones, especially when they make a lot of noise. But, come on. But certainly it's nice to see that these drones are going in the right direction. So yeah, certainly the Lito X1 and the Lito 1 definitely in the right direction. As quiet, if not a tiny bit quieter than the Mini 5 Pro. So absolutely fantastic there. Very, very pleasing result. Okay, quick bit of fun there. As ever, if you like it, give me a little thumbs up. Until next time, have fun, happy flying.